The auspicious 25th day of Boishakh holds a very special place in hearts of all Indians as it marks the birth anniversary of the great Nobel laureate Sri Rabindranath Tagore.
An eminent poet, playwright, visual artist, novelist, and a composer, Rabindranath Tagore gave a new dimension to the Indian poetry and music in the late 19th and early 20th century. His works are an exclusive blend of Indian poetry and literature and pious theology.
Now let's cherish his legacy of music and strive to keep his spirit alive in our hearts and minds.
In every mood and seasons, Rabindranath Tagore's poems and songs continue to enchant and inspire us, serving as a timeless reminder of the power of art to enlighten the human experience.
Tagore's poetic songs were viewed as spiritual and mercurial, whereas his elegant poetry was popular all over the world.
Tagore's songs and poems for children were equally enchanting, with melodies that dance like sunbeams and lyrics that resonate with innocence and joy.
Tagore's view on nationalism were complex and thought-provoking. Tagore's writing challenges to rethink about our assumptions of our identity and belonging.
পাশরিব ভাবনা পাশরিব যাতনা রাখিব প্রমোদে ভরে দিবানিশি মন প্রাণ আন্দবে বিনা সপ্তম সুরে বার্তবে তার আয় তবে সহচরি হাতে হাতে দড়ি দড়ি নাচিবি ঘিরি ঘিরি গাইবি গান.
What emptiness do you gaze upon? Don't you feel a thrill passing through the air from the notes of a faraway song floating from the other shore? Tagore's poetry was imbued with a sense of universalism, reflecting on themes of love, nature, spirituality, and mundane desire. For him, the wide open sky and the tranquility of countrysides meant freedom, and nature in her different moods was inspiration. Now, let's witness the vivaciousness of his creations with this enchanting cadence followed by a beautiful dance.
আমার রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের ছুটি কবিতাটি আবৃত্তি করে শোনাচ্ছি। ছুটি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর মেঘে কোলে রোদ এসেছে বাদল গেছে টুটি আজ আমাদের ছুটি ও ভাই আজ আমাদের ছুটি কি করি আর ভেবে না পায় পথ হারিয়ে কোন বনে যায় কোন মাঠে যে ছুটে বেড়ায় সকল ছেলে ছুটি আজ আমাদের ছুটি ও ভাই আজ আমাদের ছুটি। নমস্কার। Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was also known as Gurudev. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata.
In Tagore's vision, dance was not merely an entertainment, it was a spiritual journey, a way to connect to divine and to express the deepest emotions of human soul.
As a humanist, universalist, internationalist, and an ardent critic of nationalism, he denounced British Raj and advocated independence. From Gora to Ghored Baire to Char Adhyay, many of Tagore's writings have independence as the central theme.
Tagore's writings and ideas had a significant impact on India's independence movement and the country's cultural and social fabric. His outstanding creations were chosen by two different nations as the national anthem, India's Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jai Hai and Bangladesh's Amar Shonar Bangla. The Sri Lankan national anthem was also inspired by his work.
A man of prodigious literary and artistic accomplishment, Tagore played a leading role in Indian cultural renaissance and came to be regarded as one of the architects of modern India. His literary masterpieces will always be a substantial source of inspiration for the generations to come. Namaskar.